Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Teti Melia. My ID number is 18 21 22 055. In here, I would like to explain about the role of ESP. The first is, what is an ESP of teacher? The first is, almost always she or he is a teacher of general English who has unexpectedly found him or herself required to teach students with special needs. And then the second is, the experience is often a shock, the welcome or unwelcome one. The third is, for non-native English teachers, there is likely to be fear that they may not cope with their students' area of specialism. And then the last is, those who welcome ESP may have qualification or at least a strong interest in another discipline. ESP teachers may also have to struggle to master language and subject matter beyond the bounds of their previous experience. Teachers who have been trained for general English teaching or for the teaching of literature may suddenly find themselves having to teach with texts whose content they know little or nothing about. In this case, there are three questions that can use for ESP teacher to ask themselves. The first question is, does the content of ESP materials need to be highly specialized? And then the second question is, why do so many ESP teachers find it difficult to comprehend ESP subject matter? And then the last question is, what kind of knowledge is required of the ESP teacher? And then this, in addition to having to orientate themselves in a shifting world, ESP teachers may at the same time feel a sense of other inadequacy at their ability to cope. This problem is best illustrated in the question of specialist knowledge and language. Put briefly, does the ESP teacher need to understand the subject matter of ESP materials? Taken in isolation, the answer to this question must be yes. ESP is terms of a whole teaching or learning process. Any factor that process must be evaluated on the basis of how it relates to the other factors, and this affects the entry process or text. In other words, should not be selected as text, but as elements in learning process. If the text cannot be handled effectively by the teacher, it is not enough to simply expect the teacher to cope as well as possible. A reasonable solution should be negotiated. We might compare this situation to cooking. Good ingredients are important for a successful meal, but they will not of themselves produce success. And then the next is about personal qualities of ESP teacher according to Robinson 1991, page 80. Personal attributes: enthusiasm, the ability to develop and administer a course, work rate, report, knowledge of students' world. As equally important as the ability to write teaching materials. An interest in the student's specialist area, at least an open mind about it. An interest in the learner's language, a readiness to respect students, whether adults or near adults. ESP teachers need to have a strong will in teaching those who are not majoring English as their subject. They often have difficulties in understanding a context when and where they need to apply the English. Here, the ESP teachers must be creative, thoughtful, and also helpful to brighten the needs of the students toward English. Not only good at selecting materials, but more importantly is good and getting the students take parts in the learning where they can actually make use of the skills in English based on the major of study. Once the teachers have had good rapport and ability to attract and active the learners' interest in the learning. This is when the actual learning takes place. To sum up, willingness to teach, to deal with the learner's problems, and ability to get the involved in the learning are the ingredients of an ideal ESP teachers. And the next is above all. The first is key quality flexibility. And then the first is the flexibility to change from being a general language teacher to being a specific purpose teacher. And then the last is the flexibility to cope with different groups of students, often at very short notice. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.